So as you'll see here, I applied a magnet, a 1/4 inch diameter magnet, to the top of the ratchet extension. What this will do is create a magnetized fastener to the socket. So when you're working on those, restoring a car or working on the engine, or one of those projects where if you don't have a magnet in there, and here's an aluminum fastener, so it's not going to stick to aluminum, and you drop it and now you're searching, this resolves that issue. Also, this magnet, as you well know, that stainless is partially magnetic. That includes 3/16 stainless and 18/8 stainless, 410 stainless. And this partially works with that. So if you're changing out all your bolts in your car, this works perfect. But it will not work with aluminum or silicone bronze. That's my quick tip for today. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.